I'm a chicken. Buck, buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck. I eat corn. I live outside. Sometimes I call really loud. Cuckoo! 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 I am one of those dolphin things. I swim on the water and I have fins. People like to ride me sometimes. Also, it's hard to tell if I'm a boy or a girl. You really cannot decipher it. So I guess the only way to know is if I have a baby or not. But you can ride on my back. Just hop on, I'll take you for a trip. And it won't cost you a thing, because my love is free. Dolphin love is always free, no matter what people say. Dolphin love is always free, no matter what anyone says. Well, looking at me, I'm a little donkey. I'm riding in the Sahara with a man on my back. Can you see me? I'm really dusty, 'cause it's dusty out here. There is a windstorm. Yes, a windstorm. Yes, I said a windstorm. You see the windstorm? 'Cause I'm in the windstorm. There's dust out of my face, but I'm a donkey, so I deal with it. What up? I'm a hippo. I'm really fat. I live in the water in the Sahara. I have purple ears, did you know? And I eat humans. Yes, I do. I eat them for a snack. They are really scary and I just like to bite. I take a little nibble and I keep going, 'cause they taste so very nice. They taste really good. Humans are the best snack. I'm a creepy hippo and I'm gonna stop now. I am a seagull. I eat fries in the parking lot. Not yet. Slimy little snake. I slither through the grass, biting at your ankles. Some call me harmless, but I'm really scary. I'm a whale. I live under the ocean. I'm really big. Oh. 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 Cats, meow, and dogs say woof woof. I like cats personally, but some like dogs. Who cares? Lolcats, lolcats, lots and lots of lolcats. Everybody likes to look at the lolcats. Lol dogs? What's a lol dog? Not even such a thing as lol dogs. Cats better than dogs for 3 reasons. I will tell you what they are right now. Number 1, cats have long, cool whiskers. Number 2, cats have cool, creepy clothes. Number 3, cats like to purr and they like to be stealth. That's 4. more reasons, did you know? Cats are better than dogs. Kitty cat. Cats are better than dogs. Meow meow. Cats are better than dogs. Kitty cat. Cats are much, much better than the dogs. Cats, cats. Cats, cats. Cats, cats. Cats, cats. You can say it. Cats, cats.